Virtual Beings News Summary October 18, 2025. Secret Mountain demonstrates avatar-based performance as a primary creative vehicle, with A.R. Rahman using Google Cloud to operate a metahuman band of 6 distinct digital performers, each with defined musical roles, evidencing cloud-enabled creation and real-time embodiment of virtual artists for audience-facing entertainment. SBS Transit applies a virtual human named Iva to frontline passenger service in Singapore, evolving from informational responses toward empathic interaction to improve service quality. Vidnose deploys lifelike AI presenters for corporate training content, enabling scalable production of presenter-led instruction. Quarren Token develops a hyper-realistic digital mall that fuses physical-style social shopping with online efficiencies, indicating avatar-mediated retail experiences and persistent commerce venues. Netflix unifies Scanline VFX and Eyeline Studios to concentrate virtual production capabilities and AI-enabled toolchains, supporting pipelines for digital human creation, avatar integration, and real-time/volume-based workflows that underpin scalable virtual being content across film and television. Meta introduces parental controls that let guardians disable or selectively block teen chats with AI characters, delineating platform-level guardrails for AI companions and signaling an operational governance layer for youth interactions with synthetic characters. Roblox anchors player-led avatar expression, with Reddit-mediated commissions and wishlists indicating in-world persona personalization and informal economies, while Wuthering Waves provides a narrative example through the fan-framing of Avidius as a virtual being, showing how players project being-like attributes onto significant NPCs. Together, these examples evidence avatars and synthetic characters functioning as identity surfaces, social signals, and lore vehicles inside contemporary games. Fable's showrunner, reportedly backed by Amazon, presents a programmatic pipeline for generating episodic shows with synthetic characters, suggesting a shift from manual production toward AI-assisted series generation, where audience-facing outputs and behind-the-scenes tooling converge on synthetic performance. Synthesia and Hey define practical video avatar production stacks at scale, marketplace demand on Freelancer for Synthesia-compliant human avatars, and a scripted 2-avatar reservation call illustrates templated corporate and promotional video uses, while Hey community discussions on voice consistency with the Juniper voice and scene-wide captioning reflect post-production quality control at multi-minute lengths. Upwork indicates sustained contracting for photorealistic, AI-ready digital humans, and a YouTube tutorial combining NavTalk AI with the OpenAI Real-Time API demonstrates a complementary real-time pipeline for live presenters and interactive hosts, whereas Mimic Productions positions studio-grade digital human creation as a provenance-preserving alternative to deepfakes for brand-sensitive campaigns. Convi's forum threads detail developer realities for deploying conversational characters, including Unity-based animation visibility, headset-captured animation integration, response silences, and Arabic ASR reliability, which collectively highlight the need for robust event routing and multilingual pipelines. Unity functions as the core engine context for these character systems, while iProve focuses on liveness and deepfake resilience for identity assurance, offering defensive infrastructure that can underpin secure avatar onboarding, KYC, or high-risk workflows in enterprise deployments. Reddit hosts community curation and micro-commissions around avatar aesthetics, and TikTok promotes VTuber personas through snackable performance clips, concert-style spins, and game-adjacent skits by creators such as Filion and Exuda, evidencing participatory fandoms where virtual beings operate as creator brands and audience touchpoints across short-form video and discussion platforms. Vice's discussion of AI clones and digital twins for mental health points to exploratory therapeutic companions that learn user behavior and mood over time, implying longitudinal, personalized synthetic counterparts designed for reflection, adherence support, or triage, and underscoring emerging requirements for safety, consent, and clinical validation when virtual beings transition from entertainment or marketing into care contexts. Mimic Productions' emphasis on controllable, pipeline-authored digital humans versus deepfakes foregrounds authenticity, direction, and auditability as core properties for trustworthy synthetic performers, a stance that complements iProve's liveness orientation and frames a broader ethics of practice where provenance, disclosure, and tamper resistance become table stakes for deploying virtual beings in public-facing media. Beyond AI demonstrated interactive digital humans on a Japanese TV broadcast, suggesting interactive productions that include personality representation and memorial contexts in broadcast content. A.R. Rahman and Google Cloud, through the Secret Mountain project, are promoting a metahuman digital avatar band utilizing cloud AI infrastructure, aiming to combine musical performances with real-time avatar expressions. The Changsan GAC Digital Audio-Visual Industrial Base provides realistic avatar production and virtual filming pipelines at the industrial infrastructure level, supporting real-time operation, virtual set integration, and one-stop production. Tencent has accumulated capabilities in the production and operation of in-game characters and idle-type digital humans through its experience operating the virtual human project Star Pupil, and this experience is being connected to the direction of promoting the fusion of AAA development and virtual production technology through the personnel joining game science. The Shanxi Museum introduced a virtual star promoter, Quangnao, to enable constant interaction in exhibition, promotion, and guidance. The Yili General's residence enhanced on-site commentary and tour flow support with the digital general interpreter. Shandong Digital Culture Group expanded the interactive experience in exhibitions and educational settings with the Confucius Hologram Capsule Digital Human, providing cultural commentary and educational dialogue. Jinan Daily Newspaper Group provides civil complaint guidance, policy Q&A, and internal support to Jinan 12345 Citizen Hotline, public institutions such as the Municipal CPPCC, and state-owned enterprises such as Jinan Urban Construction Group, and Jinan Energy Group through a platform that integrates intelligent search and digital human agent. Vivant provides each employee with a digital LLM-based identity that connects to internal knowledge resources such as internal email and Slack, reducing knowledge gaps during absences and enabling the continuous provision and transfer of expertise within the organization. Alang is an AI and motion capture-based sign language avatar that automatically converts text and voice information into visual language, presenting practical examples that improve accessibility to broadcasting, education, and public information. Baidu has integrated digital human technology, multimodal models, and multi-agent collaboration through its text-to-speech and search upgrades, and supports real-time interaction of long-term videos and one-to-one digital avatar conversations through its Steam Engine video model. Face Unity specializes in rapid consumer avatar creation based on mobile apps, lowering the barrier to entry, and Zmov provides a full-cycle solution from modeling to operation for the virtual idle economy. Kaka expands the ecosystem by promoting startup and investment connections and commercialization through startup demo days in new technology and content convergence fields, including digital humans. Chongqing Municipal Cyberspace Administration positions the digital human Shancheng Xia as a recurring myth-busting host, pairing the avatar with the panda figure's UKUI to explain and refute rumors in everyday language on municipal channels. Tongliao's Zheng Xiaotong is embedded in the city's WeChat government services as a virtual front desk clerk that guides residents through procedures. Zhengzhu's Zheng Wenong serves as an agricultural public service concierge integrated with local platforms such as Nangji Cloud, extending outreach to farmers with timely advisories. Hebei Pingpu Technology deploys Xiaoqi within its Kuimen Yashu intelligent agent to diagnose crop pests from user images and suggest remedies, formalizing an avatar interface for agronomic decision support. The Yangtze River Delta, Yancheng, digital audiovisual industry base uses the ultra-real Yan Mengmeng to guide audiences across the Yellow Sea wetland and Milu deer habitat, and supports Recreate Jingguayuan as an AI plus film and TV reinterpretation of classic literature. Zhejiang's World Internet Conference program staged an interactive dialogue with the digital human of Ji Shaolan as part of the Wenlin Revival Digital Rhyme activity. Hubei's Wudang program introduced Taiji Hua as a cultural guide for Taiji heritage during its opening performance. Shandong's Confucius Holographic Cabin digital human immerses visitors inside reconstructed sites, such as Jinan's Kaoran Tower across seasons and times, while Hebei's Mark serves as a cultural guide persona to frame regional narratives across exhibition media. Hangzhou Media Group's Xiao Yu constitutes a benchmark broadcast deployment of a digital human anchor, sustaining a 4K stream with roughly 50 milliseconds end-to-end latency via edge node rendering and operating continuously for 120 hours, demonstrating a production pipeline for long-form virtual anchoring. Yangsu Cable integrates a virtual digital human concept into its operator portfolio, and develops an immersive experience cooperation with Nanjing Shaowang University to train and place talent for virtual anchoring and interactive avatar workstreams. Qingfu Digital Human provides unmanned live streaming on video accounts with digital human, real scene, pre-produced, and AI co-host modes to automate product showcases and scripted interactions. Leapmotor uses a digital human of COO Xu Jun to host branded sessions as a synthetic spokesperson for launches and Q&A in automotive marketing. Hong Kong Business Media report local firms adopting AI digital humans to grow live stream traffic and cross-border e-commerce. positioning avatars as scalable presenters for SME marketing funnels. The Hitao Dixu platform in Nanchang deploys digital humans to compress lesson planning cycles at institutions including Nanchang University and Jiangxi University of Finance and Economics, shifting faculty time toward instructional design while maintaining avatar-assisted content packaging. Jiangsu Cable's cooperation with Nanjing Shawang University establishes a channel for skills development around immersive media and virtual anchor production that can be integrated into operator and campus studios. Qingdao Link Culture demonstrates a medical registration digital human system that prototypes a future check-in microjourney, using an avatar to front appointment intake and wayfinding and illustrating how synthetic reception can streamline the first steps of an outpatient visit. China Eastern Airlines integrates a digital human plus multi-agent smart aviation service system recognized as a 2025 National User Experience Innovation Case, in which avatar front-ends coordinate with multiple agents to address passenger inquiries, service transitions, and routine assistance across the airline's customer touchpoints. From the Internet dilemma to the metaverse dilemma, exploring luxury brands' adoption of metaverse technologies, Amer, Raman, Baker, Ashel, 2025, examines brand interactions in virtual environments where consumers engage with AI systems, virtual influencers, and virtual worlds, indicating marketing use cases such as brand storytelling through simulated personae, audience engagement in 3D environments, and campaigns anchored by synthetic characters that function as brand representatives. Fashioning Fat Futures, Virtual Fashion and the Body, Holland, discusses virtual fashion as layered imagery in which 3D garments are composited onto photographed bodies, situating avatars and digitally dressed bodies as sites for identity, fit, and aesthetic experimentation. The use case centers on virtual garments as wearable media for digital bodies, with technologies including 3D clothing assets and image-based compositing pipelines for virtual look creation. 3D virtual character design to enhance YouTube viewer attention using motion capture techniques. Valentina, Risky, 2025, addresses VTuber production and audience retention on YouTube by deploying anime-inspired avatars driven by motion capture to deliver live and recorded performances. The paper highlights the pipeline components, avatar rigging, mocap acquisition, and streaming integration on YouTube, as well as the application domain of creator-led entertainment built around persistent virtual characters. Capture, canonicalize, splat, zero-shot 3D Gaussian avatars from unstructured phone images, 2025, presents a zero-shot pipeline for generating hyper-realistic, identity-preserving static 3D avatars from a small set of unstructured phone photos, introducing a generative canonicalization module to enforce 3D consistency and training on a large dataset of high-fidelity Gaussian splatting avatars to reproduce fine, person-specific details without structured capture, synthetic data, or controlled inputs. Deadbots and the Algorithmic Unconscious, a Qualitative Analysis, Pizzotti, 2025, explores conversational deadbots that emulate deceased individuals, positioning them as synthetic companions used for memorialization and grief-related interaction. The use case is personal remembrance through dialogic engagement with a constructed persona, with the application centered on therapeutic or reflective conversations mediated by an AI-rendered character. To make sure you never miss a new video and to help us reach more great viewers like you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon under the subscribe tab for notification.